Hello everyone, how are you all doing? It's Seb here from the Transformational Meditation Group, coming to you with some long anticipated and exciting news. I'm happy to announce that after a very long wait, I will release a new guided meditation. And that's right, you've been very patient and I know you have been asking for it for a long time. But this Christmas I will release a new guided meditation experience called Healing from Within. And healing from within, it is all about letting you experience for yourself the healing power of your heart. So let me tell you what this meditation experience is going to do. After we guide your body into a deep state of relaxation, I will take you on a consciousness journey from a wintry scene to a profound, heart-focused, deep and warm healing experience. I'm sure you'll love it. I also have to thank my Patreon supporters who have been supporting me throughout the past years. Because this is a more professional recorded and produced meditation made possible by them, it is only fair to say that if you're one of my Patreon supporters, you will get the first-hand experience already in high-quality downloadable version from Patreon site on December 24th. And for those of you who are not a Patreon supporter yet, you'll have to wait until the 1st of January for this meditation to be released on the usual channels. So I have some other exciting news as well, and that's that I'm starting offline courses and workshops again in 2022. First course is planned for February 5th and 6th in the beautiful city of Molde in Norway. So if you are watching this and live in Norway, you want to go to my website tmgnorge.no and find out what this course is all about. If you don't live in Norway and you would like to maybe do a workshop or a course in collaboration with you, just contact me and we'll get our heads together to plan something near you. Though offline courses, I like them the most, there's also where the magic really happens. If you still want to stay at home, that's so fine too. Our online course Shift will also start again in 2022. Just go to my website, you'll read more about that. And I will come with more information on a later date as well. So that was it for this little news flash. I want to wish you, your friends and your family a very good Christmas and a very happy New Year. Take care of each other. Be nice, be kind, be safe, take care. Namaste. See you in 2022. Bye-bye.